Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video I'd like to show you the 3 folding cubes I have created so far. This one here is my first and third one. The first time I created it, it was to find the errors in my graph. The back side of the folding cube is just black. The front side, I have my design that shows you where to begin opening your folding cube. Then we have the first facing, which is Blackpink. This is a K-pop group that my husband really is into, so I wanted to make him a folding cube for them. The next facing is 2 of the members, Jisoo and Jennie. Then we fold the sides under. The next back is also blank. The front just has the design to show you where to open your cube for the next facing. And then we have the last 2 members, Rose and Lisa. And then it finishes off with Blackpink, but written the way that it is officially written. Now, after creating that, I thought I wanted to make one for my daughter, and I wanted to include pictures. So here we have the back, which has a picture of a cat. And then the front, we have the design to show you where to open it, but we also have some butterflies. And then we have some bees included with the words, be kind. Then we have be brave. Then we fold it under, and we have cat on the back again, and butterflies on the front. And then we have be you, and we finish with draw away, as she is a drawing major in college right now. And then my last one, I feel some of the colors turned out a little dark, but it's my first completed all picture folding cube. Here we have the cross, and I have the robe draped over it. Then over here is the front design to show you where to open it, and also a cross design, which I think I'm going to change now that I see how it looks in the finished piece. And then we open it, and our first picture is baby Jesus and the 3 wise men. We open it to the next, which the picture came out quite dark, so I'm not sure if you can see it, but we have the 3 crosses for his life for us. We fold it over, under, and then we have the cross with the robe draped over it, and then we have the cross again with the opening design, and then here we have the empty tomb, and we finish off with the words, he is risen. Now this one, like I said, I'm not completely satisfied with the colors I chose. I'm not as good with choosing seed bead colors for picture designs, and this one I think I went a little too dark, so I am planning to redo this one, but I hope that you enjoyed seeing my finished pieces so far. And also I am doing a bead along for a 4 season. The colors in that one I feel are much better than in this one. I have tested them and they look much better. So I hope that you might join us for that as well. Hope to see you later.